Do you want to know how to make over $100 in just a few hours? If you do, then make sure to keep watching this video because I will be showing you exactly how you can do this. With this method, you will be able to just keep on receiving money over and over again. This method is amazing because you don't have to be any sort of professional to be able to do this. Even if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to do this and make yourself some money. So make sure that you give this method a go. Speaking of making quick and easy money online, I need to tell you about this new Google exploit I found. Basically, this is a fully automated browser extension that makes real PayPal money for you. All you need to do is click the first link in the description box below and get early exclusive access to it. Keep in mind that it's only available to the first 10 people. Anyway, let's get back to the main video topic today. So, the first thing we want you to do is go on HireSign.com. This is the website where you can find different work-from-home opportunities that pay you a lot of money. As you can see, once you are on the website, online jobs were never so easy to find. You can choose work that suits your skills. Registration is also free, so you don't need to worry about that either. With HireSign, you can find work that hits your financial goals faster with the world's most ambitious startups and well-known global brands. With HireSign, you can also build rewarding relationships in the world's work marketplace. It is your home for the work you want. Now, you can see the different job opportunities offered on HireSign. With typing jobs, you can earn $4 to $6 per page. There are online and offline typing assignments which you can execute on MS Word or any equivalent software. Proofreading jobs earn $5 to $10 per page. You can earn money by editing MS Word files and checking for spelling and grammatical errors paid. You can even do survey jobs and earn $5 to $50 per survey. And put your opinion about various products and services that you use and earn money from. There are online graphic designing jobs where you can earn $15 to $40 per assignment designing on Photoshop and exporting them to various file formats. PowerPoint presentation jobs earn $3 per PowerPoint slide by preparing PowerPoint slides and adding proper animation and sound effects. Spreadsheet entry jobs earn 2 cents to 4 cents per cell preparation and modifications of tables in MS Excel. Voice recognition jobs earn $15 to $40 per assignment for conversion of medical prescription slips into textual and audio format. Online advertisements earn 5 cents per ad posted. For today's video, we're going to be focusing on proofreading jobs, which again are going to be paying you $5 to $10 per page. And all you have to do is edit MS Word files and check for spelling and grammar errors. Now, if you're suddenly worried about not knowing how to proofread or not having good English skills, well, don't worry, because you won't actually be needing any of that, since we are going to be showing you a trick that's going to help you loophole the entire tricky part of the process. Now, as you can see over here, we have a 2-page document that you will have for free. And since it pays $10 per page, then this 2-page document that we currently have can make us $20 easily. You can actually do this over and over again, so it really doesn't matter. Before we go ahead with the video, let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for me, in case there are any videos that you want to see in particular. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure that I get as much feedback from you guys as possible. Also, let me know what devices you use, if you're an Android or an iOS user, and while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. Okay, so let's head back to the video. Now, go ahead and click this link and that should take you over here, where you can apply to be an online proofreader. And don't be nervous or anything, because it's actually much easier than you think. The reason why we especially love this website compared to other websites that offer the same opportunities is that it has competitive pay at $5 to $10 for each page, exceeding the US average hourly wage for proofreaders. It has flexible hours, so you're free from 5 to 9 and you can work when you want, right from your living room in any time zone, and you have great colleagues. There is a huge virtual work network and you can connect with some of the world's top English proofreaders. Let's go ahead and start to sign up since it's a bit tricky. So we really need you guys to pay close attention to this part especially. When you've clicked on the proofreading jobs link, you can scroll down and then you'll see this application procedure section that has the Apply to be an online proofreader button, and you're going to want to click on that, and then you're going to be brought to this page right here. And we want you to scroll down till you see this. Then just go ahead and click on the link of step 2 right away. Then you'll be brought to another page, which is this page right here. Then scroll down again until you see this Proceed to Application section and select Apply Now. And then finally, you're going to be brought to the page where you can proceed to apply for real. Now, make sure you really stick to it because this part of the application process is actually a part of the whole method and the whole process of applying. If you don't stick to it, then that just means you aren't fit for the job. Now, you're going to go ahead and fill out all that's being asked of you. And once you've done that, hit on Register. After that, in 24 hours, you should expect to be accepted and receive files for proofreading. And this is where our bonus trick comes in that is basically going to be doing all of the work for you. You literally won't have to do anything yourself. Now, remember that file earlier? That is our sample file that we are going to work on, and we're going to get paid $20 as soon as we finish the job. At the most, you can do 10 of these in an hour. So imagine 10 two-page files in an hour. That's $200 easily. You have to expect that the file given to you will have a lot of errors and mistakes because it is your job to correct them. And what we're going to use to correct all of those mistakes is Google Docs. And we're sure you guys know about this. So if your employer sends you an MS Word file, just open that MS Word file, copy what's in it, and paste it on Google Docs. And Google Docs is going to highlight all the types of mistakes that you can find in the document, and all of it will be highlighted. To automatically correct those mistakes, all you need to do is click on those words and the correction will pop up just above the word, and all you need to do is click on those corrections and boom! It'll be automatically corrected. You just have to scan the document and watch out for those highlighted / underlined words and lines, and just like that, your job is done easily for you, and you will be able to make those $200 in no time. I would advise that you give the document one final read-through after making all the automatic corrections, just in case there are any more mistakes. But once you've double-checked, you're finished. Easy money in the bank. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.